How to export Google Tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to export your Google Tasks. So to get started, go ahead and open google.com into your Google Chrome browser. Now in here, sign into your Google account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and click on this app button at the top right of your screen at the left side of your user icon, and then under that you'll be able to find all of the available Google apps. And here, go ahead and look for calendar and then click on calendar. Now, once you're on Google Calendar, go ahead and click on settings. So Google Tasks is basically the task version of Google Calendar. So all of the tasks that you have on your Google Calendar can be shown on Google Tasks. So you can find it in here. So head back to Google Calendar, and then once you're on Google Calendar, click on this gear icon in between the week button and the help button, and then click on settings from here. Now that will take you here. Head over to import and export tab, and then from here click on export. So you'll find that below the import section, and then click on this export button to export the tasks that you have from your Google Tasks / calendar to your own device. So the task will be exported as a zip file, so you need to extract this zip file, and inside it you'll find this Outlook file. So that is how you can basically export Google Tasks. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.